Yeah, you need to work on your bed?
Take these out. Take these all out, Mommy.
Hang on. Mason somehow managed to get to that bag. I have to say, Mason is persistent.
Mommy, help me take this out. Help me take that out, Mommy.
Do it like I showed you.
That's the hot.
Do it like that. Now pull. Do it just like Mommy showed you. You did it! You didn't have your safety glasses on, did you? That's why you gotta wear your safety glasses when you work with wood. Ain't that right, Brody?
Yes.
Yes.
Just half, Dad. Are you happy now? Listen. Baby monster. No, baby monster. Where's my saw?
Your saw's in your toolbox. See, it's right there.
Hey, the toolbox for working.
Yep. Give me my shoe. Mason, what you got there? You got your Green Ranger?
That's green. That's actually my Green Ranger, Mommy.
Well, can Mason play with it?
Sure.
That's nice of you.
Nana.
You fixing your bed?
No, I'm breaking it.
Oh, you're breaking your bed? Why you want to break it? It took a long time to make it.
Because it's a bedroom somehow.
Because you want to sleep in Daddy's room?
Yeah, because I love him.
Because you love him? That's nice. Okay.
I'm going to school.
You're going to go to school?
No. I'm going up to here.
Oh, you're going to go up and help him?
No, I'm going up to this house. I'm going up to your 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 house. I'm going
Did you fall down, Mason?
No.
Hey, you guys stop fighting over silly stuff.
We took that away from me. That's why.
Bro, did you take that away from him?
I was working with that.
No, you weren't. You were working with the saw.
You was working with that.
You guys share, okay?
I said you, silly Brody.
You saw and Brody will hammer, okay?
Oh, I miss going hammer. That's not good in hammer, is it? No.
You guys share the hammer.
That's not good in hammer, is it?
You share the hammer. What you got, Mason? Oh, Mason! Are you attacking me? I'm being attacked by the baby monster. I'm being attacked by the baby monster.
No, Mason, don't attack that. My mommy. Yeah, don't attack Blade's mommy.
Aren't I your mommy too?
Yeah? No.
I'm not Liam's mommy?
No, it's my mommy.
Well, who's Liam's mommy?
Daddy somehow.
Your Daddy's your mommy?
No. Oh, no. That blue driver is supposed to be out. Not him. No. It's the blue driver. Him.
What you doing, baby monster? What you doing, baby monster? What you doing?
I'm okay, Mommy.
What happened?
I fall. on purpose.
You fell on purpose? Where'd you fall from?
I fall right down this.
Oh, you fell down over there? You didn't fall from the bed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn that game back. Now turn that on.
You want to play your game now? Alright, go ahead.
I can swap it. Please, please.
Ow!
I'll play the game when I work, Mom.
Alright, then come over here and play your game then.
On the bed. Why?
Oh, you want to play it up on your bed?
Why? 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 No! Mommy, why? Keep why? Keep why?
Brody, stop throwing stuff off the bed.
No, we're making our choice. Why? Why? Stop getting too much holes, Mason. Why?
Just let him play with him, okay?
Why? Keep why? Why?
You don't want to play your race car game?
Yeah, that's why I played this one.
You're not playing your race car game. You're playing the other one.
Yeah, I want to play the other one.
Okay.
You earned
Liz.
silver trophy.
Liz. One, Mommy.
You earned silver trophy.
All right. Just press enter.
And this?
Mhm.
Learn game pack.
Honey, just let Mason play with it.
Ice escape.
Not that one.
Choose a level.
Here, just press this. Stop, Liam. All right, hang on.
Turn it off.
Brody, would you stop?
Why?
Because all you're doing is making a mess.
Tap a picture to
Hey, I wanted.
cartridge.
I wanted.
Tap.
Honey, it's not playing right, okay?
I didn't want.
The champion.
Did I say I don't want my race car?
Honey, your other game's not working, okay? It's too hard for you to figure out right now. Just play this
Tap
one.
on a picture to play a cyber race.
Not that one, silly.
Choose a level.
Easy.
Easy. Welcome to the NASCAR of
You
the
need
future.
to press easy.
Tap on a box to the left to shop for car parts. Tap on the green button to start.
Got it? I got your green
The race is about to
Right,
start.
there you go.
Keep
Race.
your finger on the green button to go. Drag the green button left or right to move left or right.
Liam, pay attention to the directions.
Go! Come on, take your car to go. You're not going the
All
right.
right, this game sucked.
Keep your finger on the green.
Stop trying to play. Just play the games that you know for now, okay?
Tap a
Because
pic. Cartridge.
you haven't figured out how to play with this yet, so
Tap.
till you figure out what all the buttons do, just play the ones you know. And Mommy will try to figure out how to make the other ones work, okay?
NASCAR, the champion's touch. Tap on a picture. Quick race.
There.
Quickly.
Choose a level.
Easy. Easy.
Easy.
Easy.
Flick up or down to see more choices. Tap on a track to choose it.
All right, which track do you want?
I want this one.
That one?
South Carolina.
All right, there you go.
Flick left or right to
You want
see
that
more
one?
choices.
Yeah.
Tap on a car to choose it.
I want this one.
There you go. You got it.
Press the directional pad left or right to move.
All right, go ahead and sit down.
Press the directional
I
pad
can.
to speed up or slow down. Press the enter button. Buckle up. The race is about to start. 3, 2, 1.
Go! I like my cars.
You reading a book there, Mason? Yeah? Mason's got the green man again.
Come on.
Alright, can you guys say goodnight?
Good night.
Say goodnight, Brody.
No.
Mason, can you say goodnight? I'm going to eat the paper.